The F-22 Raptor possesses a range of advanced maneuvers that showcase its agility, versatility, and unmatched capabilities. Its ability to execute a maximum G minimum radius turn to outmaneuver adversary aircraft exploits the aircraft's impressive thrust-to-weight ratio. The Cobra maneuver, also known as dynamic deceleration, is a breathtaking demonstration where the aircraft abruptly raises its nose, causing an extremely high angle of attack and momentarily stalling the aircraft.